Hello dear students. Today I am discuss about unit step function. Unit step function, that is also called Heaviside function. Sometimes all the formulas which we are known up to now, by using that transform, we are unable to find inverse Laplace transform. Later on I will also discuss about inverse Laplace transform. So here unit step function is very important to find such type Laplace transform or inverse Laplace transform of such type of functions. Okay, we are also having this type of questions and this type of functions in engineering problems. So that's why you are need to know about unit step functions. Unit step functions, also called Heaviside's functions, Heaviside's unit function. Okay, so unit step function is denoted by u t minus a is equals to, denoted by this. Also it is denoted by h t minus a and defined as value 0 for t less than a and 1 for t greater than equal a, where a is always positive. It is also denoted by Heaviside, that is ht minus a, also denoted by this ht minus a, Heaviside's unit function or unit step function. Okay, this is definition. Means function, value of the function is 0 for t less than 1. We can represent this function graphically like this. Suppose along this axis the value of t, and along this axis value of the function u t minus a. Then a is always positive, that means a is here. Suppose then, and this is a scale 1, length 1. Okay, so for the value t less than a, that is in this part, the value of the function is 1, 0, 0, and at 1, at a, value of the function is 1. Suppose this is a, and if t greater equal or greater than, that is in this part, value of the function is always 1. So this is a straight line, infinite length, infinite length. This is a graph of the unit step function or Heaviside functions. Clear? Here t equals to a. Okay, this function is very useful for finding inverse Laplace transform for a special problem type of problems. Here, any function, suppose we have a function ft. If this function is multiplied by unit step function u t minus a. If this function is multiplied by u t minus a, that is unit step function, then total is equals to, how can we define? Value 0, 0, 0, total 0 for t less than a, and value of this is equals to ft for t greater than equal a. Function multiplied by this. Okay. Also, note down it now. If the function taking like this t minus a is positive number, then this is multiplied by unit step function u t minus a. This product, this is unit step function multiplied to the function f t minus a. This product shift the graph of the function ft, with a distance on the right hand side, with a distance a to the right hand side, graph of the function. Whatever be the graph of the function, graph of the function is shifted with a distance a to the right side. It means, okay. So remember it. How can you convert a function? If function is multiplied by this, then the value of the function will like this. Okay. So here we have to find Laplace transform of unit step function. Okay. So Laplace transform of unit step function u t minus a. Laplace transform of. We know LFT equals to what? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft. U in place of ft u t minus a dt. Okay, so just see what is the Laplace transform of unit step function. Here 0 to infinity t. So here t is always positive. If so, this limit can be distributed 0 to a and a to infinity. Here e to the power minus st into u t minus a dt plus a to infinity e to the power minus st u t minus a dt. We just divide this interval in two parts. In first part, here value will be a 0 to a 0. So 0 to infinity a e to the power minus st 0 dt plus here a to infinity e to the power minus st into 1 dt. So this is equals to what? 0 plus integral of e to the power minus st with respect to t, e to the power minus st upon minus s, and limit apply a to infinity. So applying t to infinity, what will be the value? Minus 1 by s is outside. First value 1 upon e to the power 1 upon e to the power st. So 1 upon e to the power infinity, that is 0, minus 1 upon e to the power st, that is 1 upon e to the power as, this, that is minus minus plus e to the power minus as upon s. So Laplace transform of unit step function is e to the power minus as by s. So we got e to the power as upon s. This is Laplace transform of unit step function. Okay. So remember it. We will require this relation for finding Laplace transform of some special function. Okay. Now we can express a function in terms of unit step functions. For example, suppose we are giving a function. For example, suppose we are giving a function ft equals to 8, t is less than 2, 6, t is greater than 2. Okay. So how can you represent this as unit with unit step function? T less than 2, in place of a, suppose there is 2, then unit step function is equals to 0, 1. So we can write like this: 8 plus 0 and 8 minus 2 for t less than 2, t greater than 2. Okay. Remember this thing. How can we express a function in terms of unit step functions? Okay. So here 6 means 8 minus 2. So we can write like this: 8 plus the value of the function. How? 0 minus 2 for t less than 2 and t greater than 2. Clear? From here we can take common minus 2. Minus 2. So then it will be 1. Here 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1. U. T less than 2. U t minus 2. So this is equals to, this can be written how? 8 minus 2. This is u t minus 2. So the given function can be written like this, where u t minus 2 is defined by this unit step function. Okay. And then you can find Laplace transform of this function. How? LFT equals to what? Laplace transform of 8 minus 2 Laplace transform of u t minus 2. So this is equals to 8. The Laplace transform of 8 is what? 8 by s. 8 comma 1. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s minus 2. Laplace transform of this is equals to, in place of a, here is 2. So you can write what? It is equal to minus 2s upon s. So this is Laplace transform of given function upon s. Okay. So this type of process is required for writing a function in terms of unit step function, and then you can get Laplace transform of that function by using this. Okay. Here, take another example. The graph of this function, graph of this function, unit step function is this. Suppose we want to find the graph of the function u t minus a minus u t minus b, unit step function, this is for a, this is for b. Suppose here a less than b, then its graph is this. What? Graph of this function, straight line from a to infinitive length. Its graph, if b is greater than a, maybe b here, t equals to b. So graph of this function u t minus b will be straight line from b to infinitive. So a to infinitive straight line minus b to infinitive straight line represent ab, a straight line. So this function represents a straight line ab, ut minus a, ut minus b. Okay, remember it. Now take another questions. Express the function here. One thing is here, u t minus a minus u t minus b, unit step function, this minus this represent this straight line. This straight line lying this in this interval where t lies between a to b, in this place. Okay, and in this place graph is ab and this is the function. Okay, so whenever we give value of some function, suppose something is here and interval is like this, t a to b, t 2 to 3, then how can you write it? This function, suppose here is 6, then we can write 6 into the value of the function, 6 into, in this range, the value of the unit step function is this. So if function is equals to 6 when t lies between 2 to 3, then you can write the value of the function is 6 into t lies between 2 to 3 means this unit step functions. So u t minus 2, t minus a, t minus 2, here a, b, 2, 3. So u 2 minus t, t minus 2, and u t minus 3. You can write like this, the value of the function. If there is another point for t greater than 3, suppose 7, then you have to plus here 7, unit step function t minus 3. Clear? So here you take a question. take a question. Express the function in terms of unit step function and find the Laplace transform. Find the Laplace transform. Okay, yes. Express in terms of unit step function and find the Laplace transform of the function ft equals to what? Ft equals to E. T lies between A and B, and 0 T is greater than B. T is greater than B. Okay, so what will be the first of all we have to write it in terms of unit step function. How? Function, the value of function is E. So E into u t minus a minus u t minus b plus 0 into u t minus b, that is equals to u e into u t minus a plus u minus u t minus b. Okay, this is equals to ft, implies ft. So finding Laplace transform. So yep, just this is the conversion form of ft in terms of unit step function. Therefore Laplace transform of ft equals to Laplace transform of e into u t minus a u t minus b, this, so this is equals to Laplace transform of e u t minus a minus e Laplace transform of u t minus b. Okay, by linearity. So Laplace transform of E is constant, E outside, Laplace transform of u t minus a, Laplace transform of, here also E is common on both part, u e, so is common, and Laplace transform of u t minus b. So Laplace transform of this and then this is equals to what? Finally you can write Laplace transform e into Laplace transform of this unit step function e to the power minus as upon s. Similarly e common, so minus e to the power minus bs upon s. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform of given function. So first of all you have to convert the function in terms of unit step function, then find Laplace transform. Okay, now take questions. Now first of all second shifting property. Okay, second shifting property related to unit step functions. Second shifting property, clear? If suppose ft is our function, if LFT equals to fs bar, then second shifting property says that then Laplace transform of f t minus a u t minus a is equals to e to the power minus as fs bar. Okay, this is a statement of second shifting property. LFT equals to fs bar. Then Laplace transform of here ft, here ft minus a secant multiplied by unit step function. This is equals to this. Okay. Its proof is very simple. How? We know that LFT equals to what? Definition 0 to infinite e to the power minus st ft dt. This is our original definition of Laplace transform. Therefore, we have Laplace transform of ft minus a into u t minus a is equals to, by using this definition, this is ft, that is ft, total is ft, then what? We can write 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, a total function ft minus a ut minus a dt. Now we have to find the value of this integral in terms of that. Here unit step function, so we have to divide interval 0 to a and a to infinity. It is minus st, ft minus a, ut minus a dt plus it is minus st, ft minus a, ut minus a dt. Okay, in two part 0 to a to infinity for unit step functions. In this part, this is equals to 0. So 0 to a it is minus st ft minus a into 0 dt plus a to infinity e to the power minus st f t minus a into 1 dt. Okay, unit step function in this interval, by definition 0, here 1 1. So we get what? A to infinity e to the power minus st f t minus a dt. This integral can be solved. Here suppose t minus a equals to u. Okay, let t minus a equals to u implies dt equals to du and t equals to a plus u. T equals to a plus, no, t plus, here t minus a na, so here it is not required, like this. And also for t equals to a, for t equals to a, t equals to a, u equals to 0. Also, t equals to a implies u equals to 0, and t equals to infinite, t equals to infinite, u equals to also infinite. So using this substitution, here we get 0 to infinity for u, and e to the power minus s t in place of t, u plus a, and ft minus a, fu, fu du. Okay, so now here integration with respect to u, so e to the power minus sa can be taken outside as. Now 0 to infinity, e to the power minus su and fu du. Okay, so this can be write like this: e to the power minus s as, e to the power minus as 0 to infinity, e to the power minus st ft dt. In place of u, you can write t, because in definite integral ft dt equals to fx dx, also in definite integral. So this is equals to e to the power minus as Laplace transform of ft, that is e to the power minus as fs bar. So Laplace transform of this is equals to this. This is our second shifting property. Very, very important properties. By using this, we have to solve questions. So remember it. Okay. Here, take a question for solving. But before that, also note down an important formula. An important formula. By using that formula, you can write value of integral directly. How? So see, an important formula. Just like this. Here, if LFT equals to this, then also we get important formula. Okay, so Laplace transform of ft ut minus a. We want to find the value of this. Here, Laplace transform of ft minus a ut minus a equals to that. Okay, where f is bar, Laplace transform of ft. Here in place of ft minus a, here ft. So ft ut minus a is equals to e to the power minus as Laplace transform of f t plus a. Here LFT, this is LFT. Here LFT plus a. When? Here ft only. Here ft minus a, here ft. So using this formula, we have to solve many questions. Okay. These two formula are same, but you can see here ft, where ft minus a, where fh bar, that is LFT. Here LFT plus. How can you solve it? As the same process. For short proof, this is equals to Laplace transform of this 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft ut minus a dt by definition of Laplace transform. So this is equals to, we can divide in two parts. First part will be 0 to a of this where ut minus a equals to 0. So that part will vanish. The second part 0 plus a to infinity e to the power minus st ft u t minus a dt. In this part, this is equals to 1 by using unit step function. So this is equals to 1. Just I solve directly. That's why I think in short. Okay, this is equals to a to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. A to infinity, not 0 to infinity. Okay, a to infinity. So for solving this in terms of that formula, we have to put also here, put t equals to a plus u, a plus u, suppose a plus u, a plus u, put t equals to a. So dt equals to du and t equals to a, that is u equals to 0. T equals to a implies u equals to 0 and t equals to infinity implies u equals to infinity. So applying this, we can write 0 to infinity e to the power minus st equals to a plus u, s a plus u, and here ft t equals to a plus u, a plus u, and dt equals to d. Okay, so now this is integration with respect to u. So e to the power minus s a constant you can take outside, and 0 to infinity e to the power minus s u f a u plus a du. Also you can write this integral in place of u may be taken t. So e to the power minus s a 0 to infinity e to the power minus s t f t plus a dt. So this is e to the power minus s a, this is e to the 0 to infinity e to the power minus s t f t plus a dt. That means lf t plus lf t plus a. Clear? So this is another formula for solving or finding Laplace transform. That is equal to what? E to the power minus as Laplace transform of f t plus a. Also this is what? Both are same, but in place of this only ft. E to the power minus s lft. This is what? Lft. Here lft plus a. Okay, so this formula is important for solving questions. Okay, so take an example. Okay, take a question for solving this. These are the two formula. Okay, now taking a question. This is our formula. Take a question. Question is, express the function fx ft, express the function ft, express the function ft, how given? Solution. We are given what? Ft equals to t minus 1, 3 minus t. T minus 1, 3 minus t. T lies between 1 to 2, 3. 1 less than 2 and 2 less than t less than 3. Express the function ft is equal to this. In terms of unit step function, in the form of unit step function, and find its Laplace transform. So this is given function. We have to first write it in terms of unit step function, and then we will find Laplace transform of this. Okay, so we know how we convert it in unit step function. Here t lies between a and b, so t minus a minus t minus b, ut minus a minus ut minus b is multiplied to this. Here t minus 1 is multiplied, this is multiplied by what? Unit step function t minus 1 minus t minus 2 ut minus 2, this. Also here another point is here, plus 3 minus t is multiplied by unit function t minus 2 minus t minus ut minus 3. So u t minus 2 minus ut minus 3. This is the conversion in terms of unit step function. Okay. Now this is equals to, now we can solve it. Here u t minus 2 times. So here t minus 1 into u t minus 1. This is not into, this is unit step function. Okay. So you can write like this. Okay. Now t minus 1 into this, 3 minus t into this is same both. So by suppose this is same thing u, so u common, and minus t minus 1 minus t minus 1 plus in bracket minus t minus 1, t minus 1 into minus minus common u t minus 2. Here 3 minus t into this, that is plus 3 minus t into this u t minus 2, that is also common from these two. So u t minus 2 and minus 3 minus t into this, plus minus minus 3 minus t into u t minus 3. Okay, we are separating ut minus 1, ut minus 2, ut minus 3. So here we get how? T minus 1 u t minus 1. Okay, here minus t minus t minus 2t minus t plus 1 minus t plus 1 plus 3 minus t minus 2t plus 4 minus 2t plus 4. So minus 2 common, t minus 2 minus 2 common, t minus 2 t minus 2, minus 2 common, t minus 2, u t minus 2. Second term is this, and third term, just we see here, minus of, here minus, to multiply it as t minus 3, we have to make, so plus t minus 3 u t minus 3. Okay? So this is our ft in terms of unit step function. Now, we have to find Laplace transform of this. Okay, so we have to use this formula, either of this. L of this, that means we can use this formula. Instead of this, whatever you think, now we see. So we get Laplace transform of given function, what? ft equals to Laplace transform of, this is complete value. First is this, what? T minus 1 u t minus 1 plus minus 2 t minus 2 u t minus 2 plus t minus 3 u t minus 3. This is complete value. Okay, this complete value is there. Okay, Laplace transform taking. So by linearity property, we can write like this: Laplace transform of first part t minus 1 u t minus 1 minus constant 2. So Laplace transform of t minus 2 u t minus 2 plus Laplace transform of t minus 3 u t minus 3. Okay, 3 part. Now, to find this Laplace transform, you can use this formula or that formula. Here, ft minus a is here, fh bar ft minus a, ft minus 1 means ft means only t. If this formula you have to use, then what? Here, consider ft equals to this. Then Laplace transform of this is ft. Laplace transform of this is equals to, it is equal to minus as ft plus a. T plus a means t minus 1 plus a means 1 plus 1 ft, lft. In that case, ft equals to t. Okay, here we can also suppose t minus 1. So fs bar lft equal to fs bar lft. If t minus 1 is this, then ft equals to what? T. If ft minus 1 equals to this, that means ft equals to what? T. Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. Laplace transform of t is what? 1 upon s square. Clear? So here, for first part, you can take it, also you can take it, also you can take it. This formula. Okay? If ft equals to t, then ft minus 1 equals to t minus 1, ft minus 2 equals to t minus 2, ft minus 3 equals to t minus 3. You can get like this. That is ft equals to this, and lft equals to what? LFT equals to, LFT means t, LT equals to what? 1 factorial upon s square. So LFT equal to s square, fs bar in place of that. So what will be the answer? E to the power minus as, a equal to 1, e to the power minus 1s upon s square. Fs equals to, LFT equals to 1 by s square. Similarly here, minus 2, by using that you can write e to the power minus as minus 2s upon s square, because in this case ft equals to this LFT fs bar equals to what? It is fs bar 1 by s square plus here e to the power minus 3s upon s square. Okay. So this is the Laplace transform. We can write. You can also use this. How? In place of this, ft equals to t minus 1. So LFT plus 1 means t minus 1 plus 1 LFT. So LFT equals to what? 1 by s square. So either use this formula or use this formula. You can do it. Okay. Now here, common s square. So e to the power minus s minus 2 e to the power minus 2s plus e to the power minus 3s. Clear? So this is our Laplace transform of given function. Okay. Here main thing is using this formula. This is second shifting property. You can also write like this for this. Both are same. Okay. Now take questions for solving. Find Laplace transform of t square ut minus 3. U means unit step function u t minus 3. We have to find this Laplace transform of this. So remember this formula, Laplace transform of f t minus a u t minus a is equals to what? E to the power minus as fs bar, where fs bar means LFT. Either this or also Laplace transform of ft u t minus a is equals to e to the power minus as upon s in Laplace transform of f t plus a. Just I have discussed about this formula, so we are using this formula. Remember, whenever unit function is multiplied to some function, then you have to use for finding Laplace transform either of these two formula. Okay. So here t square u t minus 3, it can be found by converting this internal function in terms of like this, or you can also by converting in terms of this. Here Laplace transform of t square u t minus 3 is equals to, we can write by using this formula, this. Also you can convert in terms of this. In terms of, if you have to convert this in terms of this, then question will be lengthy. And if you want to find the value of this, you can use this formula also. How? Laplace transform of this is equals to what? E to the power, by using this formula. Okay, by using this formula. Since we know that this is our formula, now ut minus 3 means ut minus a, ft means t square. Clear? So we can write this is equals to e to the power minus as means 3s, 3s. Laplace transform of f, here f, this is ft hour. So here will be what? T plus a means plus 3. By using this formula, this is equals to this, where you have to write where here ft means what? T square. Where ft means t square. ft means t square. Okay. So this is equals to e to the power minus 3s Laplace transform of ft plus 3. ft equals to t square. ft plus 3 equals to what? T plus 3 square. Because ft equals to t square. So ft plus 3 equals to t plus 3 square. So this is equals to e to the power minus 3s e to the power minus 3s Laplace transform of t plus 3 a plus b whole square, t square plus 60 plus 9. So this is equals to e to the power minus 3s Laplace transform of t square plus 6 Laplace transform of t plus 9 Laplace transform of 1. Just linearity property use for Laplace transform. So e to the power minus 3s, we can get what value? Laplace transform of t square. T square means, you know formula, Laplace transform of t to the power n equals to t to the power n equals to n factorial upon t to the power n plus 1 for integral value. So here n equals to 2. So 2 factorial upon t power 3 plus 6, 1 factorial upon t power 2 plus 9 1 by s cube, not t, s cube, s square by s. So this is our solution. Okay. So finally we can get this, only simple use of this formula. You can also convert it in terms of this, but this is very simple. So this is Laplace transform of this function is this. You can also write like this: e to the power minus 3s 2 by s cube plus 6 by s square plus 9 by s. This is our Laplace transform. Okay. Now take another questions for solving. So what? Represent ft equals to sin 2t solution. Sin 2t, t lies between 2 pi to 4 pi. Represent this ft in terms of unit step function. We are given function what? Ft equals to sin 2t, where t lies between 2 pi to 4 pi and 0 otherwise. Means like this. Means in this interval value of the function is this, and in other part value of function is 0. So we have to convert it in terms of unit step function and then find Laplace transform. Okay. So very simple. You can write in terms of unit step function. How can you write? We can write ft equals to what? Here t lies between a to b, so this is into t this into ut minus 2 pi minus ut minus 4 pi. We know like this: sin 2t unit function t minus 2 pi minus unit function t minus 4 pi. Okay. Plus 0 into sum. So we can write only this. So this is equals to sin 2t into unit function t minus 2 pi first part minus sin 2t into unit function t minus 4 pi ft equals to. Okay. Now by using star we get the Laplace transform of ft as follows. This is, suppose this is our formula, which is star. By using that, we have to find Laplace transform of ft. So Laplace transform of ft equals to Laplace transform of this. So also linearly distributed. Suppose Laplace transform of first part is sine 2t unit function t minus 2 pi minus Laplace transform of sine 2t unit function of t minus 4 pi. Okay. Now here this is ft, this is ut minus a. This is ft ut minus a. This is equals to this. So we can write what? This is equals to e to the power minus as. A means 2 pi. 2 pi s. Then Laplace transform of ft plus a. ft means sine 2t. So this is ft. So in place of t you have to write t plus a. T plus a means t plus 2 pi. So 2 t plus 2 pi. Okay, using this formula. In place of a, 2 pi. E to the power minus s l sine 2. In place of t plus 2 pi. Similarly, minus of second part e to the power minus second part e to the power minus as. A means here 4 pi. So 4 pi s. And Laplace transform of here ft equal to also sine 2t. So sine 2 in place of t you have to write t plus a means t plus 4 pi. T plus 4 pi. Okay. So finally you can write e to the power minus 2 pi s. Here we can multiply 2t plus 4 pi. So sin 4 pi plus 2t means sin 2t. So Laplace transform of sin 2t. Sin 2t minus e to the power minus 4 pi s. Also sin 2t plus sin 8 pi. That means sin 8 pi plus 2t equals to also sin 2t. So Laplace transform of sin 2t. This. So finally you can write the answer. So what will be the answer? It will be minus 2 pi s sin 2t Laplace transform. Also both are common, so you can take common minus 4 pi s of Laplace transform of sin 2t, and you know minus e to the power minus 4 pi s, and Laplace transform of this is equals to 2 upon s square plus 2 square. So final answer is two e to the power minus 2 pi s minus e to the power minus 4 pi s upon s square plus 4. So this is our answer. Okay, 2 by s square plus 4 e to the power minus 2 pi s minus e to the power minus 4 pi s. So using this property is this formula for unit step function related to unit step functions, we can solve Laplace transform of functions which are given in breaking part. Okay, so very important formula. So note down and try to solve some questions. Okay. Now time for giving questions for attendance. Okay, so first question is find Laplace transform of Laplace transform of e to the power minus 2t u pi t, e to the power minus 2t into u pi t, where u pi t is given as 0 when t less than pi and 1 when t greater than pi. Here t less than pi, t greater than pi, 0 1 0 1, t less than pi, t greater than pi, u pi t. Okay. Second question. Second question is find Laplace transform of the function ft equals to e to the power minus t one minus e to the power minus t 1 minus u t minus 2, u t minus 2. Okay, e to the power minus t 1 minus u t minus 2. And third question, express ft equals to zero, t lies between 0 to 1, t lies between 0 to 1 and t minus 1, t lies between 1 less than t less than 2. 1 2 के बीच में t है. Okay, 1 lies, t lies between 1 and 2 and 1 when t greater than 2. In terms of unit step function, and find its transform. Unit step function and find its Laplace transform. Okay. These three questions are for you. You have to solve these questions today and make PDF and send to me before 5 to 5:30 p.m. for your attendance. Okay. So remember the naming of the file, PDF file. Okay. For solving hint for these questions, you can convert it. You can convert u pi t as unit step function. It is unit step functions. So convert it in terms of unit step functions and then find the Laplace transform of these functions by using the formula just we have discussed about them. And also this is unit step function, so you can find Laplace transform. This function is also for converting it in terms of unit step functions till as between a to b. So 0 into this t minus 1 into u t minus 1 minus u t minus 2 and so on 1 into u t minus 2. So you can convert and plus of that 3 and you can convert it to unit step functions. So we can find Laplace transform by using those formulas. So very simple questions are these. So unit step function is very important. Also we will use this formula in finding inverse Laplace transform. So do these questions and send to me. Okay.